How to add debit or credit card on DHgate. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add debit or credit card on DHgate. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the DHgate application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in order to add debit or credit card on DHgate, you need to have a few items on your card. So go ahead and make sure you have items on your card, and if not, then add items to your card. Once added, tap on your card and further tap on the checkout button. You will then be asked to fill in your shipping address firstly. So go ahead and fill in your shipping address correctly, as this step is important. Once added, you will see the payment method tab. Tap on the add a new card option and further enter your debit or credit card details, that is your card number, expiration date and CVV, and tap on the save and confirm button, and with this your debit or credit card will be added successfully. So this is how you can add debit or credit card on DHgate. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.